Good morning, students. We already discussed the various rules for nomenclature, that is, naming of organic compounds. There we discuss about the three rules. Today we discuss rest of the rules for naming, that is, nomenclature of organic compounds. As per our rule, we already discussed that we should number the carbon chain and the chain should be longest and continuous. We already discussed that the lowest number should come in our branch chain, and if there any functional group present, then we will give the first preference to the functional group. That means lowest number should come at the functional group. Up to this portion we already discussed. Next rule, if we consider any carbon chain and if their different substituents are present, if we consider a carbon chain and if their different constituents are present, then we should number the chain as per our previous rule, but at the time of naming we should write the name alphabetically. As for example, if we consider any compound where methyl and ethyl both are present, then as per our English alphabet, E comes first. For that we should write ethyl first and after that methyl. So we should be very much careful about this. At the time of writing the name, we should write the name alphabetically. So what is that rule? If we consider the rule, that is our fourth rule, and as per our fourth rule, different substituents should write alphabetically. Should write alphabetically. As for example, if we take CH3, CH, single bond Cl, single bond CH2, single bond CH, single bond Br, single bond CH2, single bond CH3. If this is the compound, then at the time of numbering we should number the carbon chain from left because if we number the carbon chain from left, then at the second number chlorine will come, that is branch chain will come. But if we number the chain from right side, then branch chain will come at the third carbon. For that we should number the carbon chain from left. That is our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 carbon is present. For that the parent chain is our hexane. And here in second carbon chlorine present, in fourth carbon bromine present. In second carbon chlorine present, in fourth carbon bromine present, but B comes first in comparison to chlorine, that is C. For that we should write the name as 4-bromo 2-chloro hexane. What will be the name? 4-bromo 2-chloro hexane. What will be the name? 4-bromo 2-chloro hexane. Here we should write bromo first in comparison to chloro, because we should write the name alphabetically, and here this is the example. Fifth rule is alkyl group should write by writing the position and before parent hydrocarbon. But always take care, if we consider any naming and if there are any alkyl group present or if there are any halogen group present, alkyl groups such as methyl, ethyl, propyl, butyl, halogen groups such as fluoro, chloro, bromo, iodo, fluoro, chloro, bromo, iodo. If these type of groups are present, then we should write it first, and after that we should write the parent chain, that is root name. If we consider any methyl, if we consider any ethyl, if we consider any fluoro or bromo, we should write it first, and after that we should write the parent compound, that is our root name, from which family it belongs. So what is the rule? Alkyl group should write by writing the position of carbon and before parent hydrocarbon. What we are saying? Alkyl group should write by writing the position of carbon and before parent hydrocarbon. As for example, CH3, CH3, single bond, CH2, single bond, CH2, single bond, CH3. How we should number it? The chain should be longest and continuous. So we can write either from this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or we can give the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how we can number it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can also write like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then what we see? Branch chain will come in fourth carbon, which is not possible because we already discussed that lowest number should come at the branch chain. For that we should number it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or we can number it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here at the second carbon, methyl group present. For that we should write it first, that is before parent hydrocarbon. How we can write it? Number 1, 2 methyl, because this is our branch chain, this is our substituents, we should write it first, that is 2 methyl, and after that what we will write? Pentane, 2 methyl pentane. Pentane is our parent hydrocarbon because 5 number of carbon is present. So name will be 2 methyl pentane. That means if there any alkyl group present, then we should write as per their position. We should number the position as well as it should be before the parent hydrocarbon. It should be at the position of the before hydrocarbon. It should be before hydrocarbon. Next is our, that is rule number 6. That is our 6th rule. That is our 6th rule. Multiple alkyl group groups are labeled as di for 2, tri for 3, tetra for 4, etc. If we consider any carbon chain, then multiple alkyl groups are labeled as di for 2, tri for 3, tetra for 4, etc. If there are 2 number of methyl group present, then we should write it dimethyl. If 3 number of methyl group present, then trimethyl. If in the branch 4 number of methyl group present, then we should write tetramethyl. As well as one thing you should also remember, so many times we will write that is di, tri, tetra. Then we should take care about the position also. If at the second position two number of methyl group present, then we should write 2,2-dimethyl. If there at two position two number of methyl group, at fourth position two number of methyl group present, then we should write it 2,2,4,4 tetramethyl. We should take care about the position of the alkyl group. If at the second position two number of methyl group present, then we should write 2,2-dimethyl. If it in second position two number of methyl group present, and in fourth position of carbon there are also two number of methyl group present, then what we will write? 2,2,4,4 tetramethyl. Every time we should write the position, not 2-dimethyl, not 2,4 tetramethyl, not like that. Be careful about this. As for example, if we take CH3, single bond C, CH3, single bond CH3, single bond CH2, single bond CH3. If this is the compound, if this is the compound. If this is our compound, then we should number from the left, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 number of carbon present, that it should be butane. And in second position, one methyl group is here, another methyl group is here, one methyl group is here, and another methyl group is here. For that, what we should write, and both of these methyl group is in two position. If there are two methyl group present, then as per our rule we should write dimethyl. And in second position two number of methyl group present, so for that we should write 2,2 dimethyl. So what we should write? 2,2 dimethyl, 2,2 dimethyl butane. Two dimethyl butane. So we always should take care about this. If in one position two number of alkyl group present, then we should write the position two times. We should write the position two times. Here in this position, one methyl group is here, one methyl group is here. For that we should write 2,2 dimethyl butane. 2,2 dimethyl butane. If we take another example, that is CH3, single bond CH, single bond CH3, single bond CH2, single bond CH, single bond CH3, single bond CH2, single bond CH3. If this is the compound, then numbering we should start from the left, not from the right, because if we number the chain from the right, then what we see at the third carbon branch chain will be present. But if we start from the left, then at the second carbon methyl group will be there. For that the numbering will be like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here second position methyl group present, fourth position methyl group present, and both are our methyl group. For that it should be dimethyl. For that it should be dimethyl. So what will be the name? In 2 position, 1 methyl group present. In 4th position, 1 methyl group present. So what we should write? 2, 4. Both are methyl. For that what we will write? Dimethyl. Then we should consider the parent carbon. Number of carbon is 6. Number of carbon is 6. For that what we should write? Hexane. What we should write? Hexane. So what will be the name? 2, 4 dimethyl hexane. 2, 4 dimethyl hexane. This will be our numbering. This will be our numbering, and by this way we will give the name. I think this is clear. After that we should come to the various functional group. Various functional group. जैसे if we consider the various functional group, actually various number of functional groups are present. Within this, only 4-5 functional group is in your syllabus. Number 1, OH. This is our hydroxyl group. This is our hydroxyl group, and if this hydroxyl group will join to any other carbon chain, then we should write all. Then we should write all. If OH is present, then we should write all. If CHO is present, then we should write L. If COOH present, then we will write oic acid. We will write oic acid. If C double bond O present, then we will write one. This is our hydroxyl group. This is our aldehyde group. This is our carboxylic acid group, and this is our ketone group. Hydroxyl group, if there it is present, then all. CHO aldehyde group, if they are present, then it is L. COOH acid group, if that is present, then oic acid. C double bond O, if that is present, then it is ketone group, and in respect of ketone group we should write ONE, one. ONE, one. As for example, if we consider CH3 single bond C, H, OH, CH2, CH, CH3, CH3. If this is the compound, then we should write the numbering from left. We should number the carbon chain from left. Why? If we take from right, then hydroxyl group will be in 4th carbon, whereas if we number from left, then we will get the hydroxyl group in second carbon. For that we should write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here in fourth position methyl group present, and second position hydroxyl group present. And all of you know that in case of alkyl group we should write it first. So what will be the name? 4-methyl. 4-methyl. After that what we will write? The root name, the parent hydrocarbon, that is 5. So what we will write? 4-methyl pentane 2-ol. 4-methyl pentane 2-ol. Okay beta, today is up to this, and we will discuss in our next class various type of naming as well as isomer. Okay students, thanks a lot.